So hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So children, in that previous video we discussed up to 19th question, right? So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 20 onwards. So children, let us see here 20th question. Let two numbers have arithmetic mean 9. Okay, two numbers having that arithmetic mean is 9 and geometric mean is 4. Okay, then these numbers are the roots of the quadratic equation. So children, here directly what are the roots of the quadratic equation? They didn't give. What they given here? They given that two numbers, its arithmetic mean. Okay, two numbers are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, those two numbers directly they didn't give. Those two numbers also we need to find out. So how to find out that? So see here, what is the conditions? Some conditions given in between those two numbers. So the arithmetic mean of those two, for example here see, alpha, beta, gamma are in AP. Alpha, beta, gamma are in AP. So at that cases, here they are saying if these two are AP, then how to find that AP ma? So alpha plus gamma by 2 is equal to beta. Okay, this is the condition for that AP. If the numbers are in arithmetic progression, then its arithmetic mean is alpha plus gamma by 2 is equal to beta. Okay, so here and in the same way here also given the same thing. The arithmetic mean of two numbers is, what is that? 9. Okay, so let it be sum. Alpha plus gamma by 2 is equal to here beta. So that is 9. Am I clear to you? So according to this one, here alpha plus gamma is equal to 9 to 18. Clear? And in the same way here, say that the next condition is geometric mean. So geometric mean condition, what is that ma? For example, if alpha, beta, gamma are in GP, then what is the condition? B square is equal to, which means here beta square is equals to alpha gamma. Beta square is equal to alpha gamma. So here beta is equal to square root of alpha gamma. Clear? So what they are saying here? Beta square. So beta value they given. So beta is equals to, here they are saying 4. So 4 is equal to square root of alpha gamma they given as per that given conditions. Am I clear to you? So here according to this one, alpha gamma is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 16. Which is equal to 16. So here what are the two numbers ma? Okay, here you may get the doubt. Madam, every time we are taking that alpha and beta are the roots. Why? Because every quadratic equation is having the two roots, we know that. But children, once observe carefully here, I didn't take those two are the roots. I didn't take, these values are not the roots. Here I am saying that these three are the values of AP. These three values are in that AP conditions. Just to get that condition, I written here, I taken three numbers. Okay ma. So if these three numbers are in AP, then what is the arithmetic mean means? Here I written that alpha plus gamma by 2 is equal to beta. Okay, for that purpose here I taken the three roots. Okay, just take the three values, not roots, three values. Okay, but according to that, finally we are getting here only two numbers. Okay, at that last here we are getting that only two numbers, and in the same way here also we are getting two numbers. Okay, now we can consider that these two numbers are the roots of the quadratic equation. Did you get my point? Yes. See here. Now, so we know that x square minus alpha plus, actually here alpha and gamma are the roots. Okay. So see carefully ma, here alpha and gamma are the roots I taken here. So x square minus alpha plus gamma into x plus alpha gamma is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay. Now here x square minus alpha plus gamma is equal to what we got here? 18. So 18 into x plus alpha gamma. So alpha gamma is equal to, we got that 16. Alpha gamma is equal to 16, so which is equal to 0. So x square minus 18x plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So once again I am saying that, see here. So according to that question here directly they didn't give that roots. Okay. So that's why here first we need to find the roots. Okay, to find that roots here they given two conditions. So as per that questions here we taken that three numbers. Okay, 3 numbers are in GP, 3 numbers are in AP conditions. Okay, these two will come in that progressions concept ma. So according to this concept here, finally we are getting here the sum of these two values is equal to 18 and the product of those two values is equal to 16. Okay, now we can consider that these two numbers are the roots of the required quadratic equation. After that, we know what is the formula to find that required quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta actually we have to take, but here gamma is there. So x square minus alpha plus gamma into x plus alpha into gamma, which is equals to 0. Okay, that is the required quadratic equation. So from that equation, after substituting these two values, here the required equation is x square minus 18x plus 16, which is equal to 0. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, x square minus 18x plus 16 is equal to 0. Clear to you? So this is the 20th question. Now let us see that 21st question. Okay, so see here ma, what they given, what conditions given. In a triangle PQR, they given that in triangle PQR, angle R is equals to pi by 2. Angle R is equal to pi by 2. And here tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2. Tan Q by 2 are the roots of the equation. These two are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Then what is the condition? What is the relation in between A, B, C? Okay, what is the relation in between A, B, C? We need to find out. Okay, so let us see here ma, what is that condition they given? So in a triangle PQR, here angle R is equals to pi by 2 means that is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay, what is that? 90 degrees. So children, this is one of the condition they given. So leave this aside. So come to this point here. So these two are the roots. Actually up to now we learned that roots are just real numbers they given. So we use it that real numbers, we find the required quadratic equation. But here the roots are tan of P by 2, tan of Q by 2. Okay. So by using this one, see here. So here first take that sum of the roots. Let alpha is equals to tan of P by 2 and beta is equals to tan of Q by 2. Okay, so take that sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta is equal to tan of P by 2 plus tan of Q by 2. Okay, this value we need to find out. So alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is equal to what we will get here? Sum of the roots is equal to here minus b by a. Clear to you? Okay, next we have to take that product of the roots. Next, product of the roots. So product of the roots, tan of P by 2 into tan of Q by 2, which is equals to, so product of the roots, what is that value ma? Product of the roots is equal to C by A. Actually here the equation also given that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. General form of the quadratic equation they given. So here by using this one here, what is the product of the roots? That is C by A. Okay, we got that C by A. Now what we have to do? So children, see here. Now up to now we did that. First we find that sum of the roots, next product of the roots, next directly equation. But here children, see that here those two are not the numbers. Okay, numbers not given here. At the place of numbers they given the trigonometric ratios. Okay, along with that angles they given here. So that's why here the process will be changed. So see here what we have to take, tan of, here tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 is there. So that's why I want to write this one as tan P by 2 plus Q by 2. Okay, and we have one of the formula related to this one, that is tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. In the previous classes we learnt about this one, right? So I use the same formula here, apply that. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so here tan of P by 2 plus tan of Q by 2. So here tan of P by 2 plus tan of Q by 2. So tan of P by 2 plus tan of Q by 2 is equal to minus B by A. So here which is equals to minus B by A whole by 1 minus tan B by 2 into tan Q by 2. So which is equals to C by A. Okay, so simplify it. So children, before going to that, here we can do one thing. What is that? P by 2 plus Q by 2. So at that starting they given that one condition they given. See here. In a triangle PQR, angle R is equal to 90 degrees. Angle R is equal to 90 degrees. So what about that? Angles in a triangle, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. We know that, right? So according to this one, here angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. Here angle R means here 90 degrees, no? So minus 90 degrees. So we know that angle P plus angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Am I clear to you? Angle P plus angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So apply the same condition here. So here I want to take this one as P plus Q by 2. Yes or no? After taking that LCM, here we are getting this one as P plus Q by 2. Okay, which is equals to here minus B by A, and simplify it. 1 into A is A minus C by A. So here A and A gets cancelled. So which is equals to minus B by A minus C. Clear? So come to this one. Here tan of angle P plus angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 by 2, which is equals to minus B by A minus C. Clear? So here 90 by 2 means this is nothing but equals to tan 45 degrees. So by using this one here, tan 45 degrees is equal to, what we got here? Minus B by A minus C. Minus B by A minus C. And children, we know that what is the value of tan 45? Okay, so tan 45 is equal to 1. So which is equals to minus B by A minus C. Okay, now take that cross multiplication. So 1 into A minus C is A minus C, which is equals to minus B. Okay, so from this one, A minus B become as plus B minus C, which is equal to 0. So this is the relation in between A, B, C. Okay, so the answer is given or not? See here, A plus B minus C. So directly not given. So A plus B is equal to C will be possible. Why? Because A plus B which is equals to C. Finally we got that A plus B which is equal to C. So which option is correct here? Option 1 is correct. Am I clear to you? Yes. So children, see here next 22nd question. If the product of the roots of the quadratic equation, so quadratic equation they given 5x square minus 4x plus 2 plus k into 4x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So actually this is the quadratic equation. To this quadratic equation, the product of the roots value they given. Okay, before going to do that, here first we have to simplify this. Okay, so 5x square minus 4x plus 2 plus here 4x square k, which means 4kx square minus 2x into k, 2kx minus k, which is equal to 0. Clear? So from this one, here say that, so 5x square plus 4kx square. Next, k terms minus 4x minus 2kx. Okay, next here constant terms plus 2 minus k, which is equal to 0. Okay, is there any other terms, ma? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Here also 6 terms we got it. Okay, so from that first 2 terms, here we can write this one as, take that x square as common. Take x square as common. Then how we can write this? 5 plus 4k into x square. Shall we write like this? A x square. Next, from these 2 terms, take that minus x as common. So finally what we will get here? So 4. We taken already x as common and minus also came outside, so this is plus, and here 2k. Okay, and come to this one. Here 2 minus k, which is equal to 0. So together that 2 minus k. Am I clear to you? So children, see here, so this is the quadratic equation now. So from this one, what they given here? Product of the roots of the quadratic equation. So product of the roots of the quadratic equation. So let the roots be alpha comma beta. Okay, so alpha comma beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now here, product of the quadratic equation means alpha into beta is equal to, actually what is that formula? Alpha beta, that product is equal to C by A. So here C is equal to 2 minus K. Okay, so 2 minus K by 5 plus 4K. 5 plus 4K. And children, one more thing they given here, the product of the roots of the given quadratic equation is how much they given, that is equals to 2. So this total value which is equals to 2. Okay, so from this one here 2 minus K is equal to, just take the cross product. So 2 into 5 plus 4K. Clear? So from this one 2 minus K is equal to 2 5s 10 plus 2 4s 8K. Okay, so which is equals to, here minus K plus 8K become as minus 8K, which is equals to 10 minus 2. So from this one minus 9K is equal to 8. So K is equal to minus 8 by 9. So what is the value of K here? Minus 8 by 9. So that option is there? Yes, minus 8 by 9. Am I clear to you, children? So here what they given? Quadratic equation given, but here simplified form not given. So we need to simplify it after to make it as in the form of general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that, what they given here condition? The product of the roots is equal to 2. So applying that condition, here finally we got that k is equal to minus 8 by 9. Here no need to find that alpha plus beta, which means here no need to find that sum of the roots. Why? Because in that question directly they given that product of the roots. So in the product of the roots only k variable is there. So k value only we need to find out, right? So that's why directly we are getting here. If you want to take that sum of the roots, okay, then here sum of the roots something they have to give, but they didn't give, no? Okay, so that's why here product of the roots sufficient. So by taking this value we can simplify it. Okay. So see here next question. Next question, see here 23rd one. If one root of the equation is, actually what is the equation? 5x square plus 13 plus k is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Okay. So one root is reciprocal of the other. What they given? One root is reciprocal of the other. Then let the roots are alpha and another root is 1 by alpha. According to that question, what they given here? One root, the another root is reciprocal of that first root. Okay, one root is the reciprocal of the other, or the second root is the reciprocal of the first one. Understand? So those two roots also reciprocal to each other. Okay, that is the given meaning. So see here, ma. So from this one, first find that sum of the roots. First find that sum of the roots. So alpha plus 1 by alpha is equal to minus b by a. So minus 13 by 5. Clear? So from this one, alpha into alpha, alpha square plus 1 by alpha, which is equals to minus 13 by 5. So here we got this condition. And come to this one here, product of the roots. So product of the roots is equal to alpha into 1 by alpha. So which is equals to c by a. So c is equal to k and a is equal to 5. Understand? So here alpha and alpha gets cancelled. So 1 is equal to k by 5. So from this one k is equal to 5. What is that? From that one k is equal to 5. So if you want to substitute that 5 here, then what you will get here? So here is there any k variables, ma? Here k variables not there, so no need to find that. So here also directly you can go for that product of the roots. Okay, if you want to find this or no problem, this is not required. Okay, if you want to means no problem. Just go for that product of the roots. Okay, why? Because at that place, constant place only we are having that k variable. So that's why directly after this step, directly you can go for this one. Okay, yes. So let us see that answer. So k is equal to 5, no? So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option 2 is correct. Okay, and see that the last question, 24th one. So what they given here? If alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, so here two roots alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 9x square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then the equation with the roots. So here then the equation with the roots. To this equation the roots are alpha comma beta. Understand? So another equation is there. No, that equation here we need to find that another equation. To that equation the roots are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So here what we have to find out? We need to find that the required equation by using 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Did you understand the question? So once again I will tell you, say that. So children, here one of the quadratic equation they given. To that quadratic equation alpha and beta are the roots. Understand? So after finding the values of alpha and beta, so which means we need to find the values of alpha and beta. So after that another equation is there, that is unknown equation. To that unknown equation here two values there, 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So already we know the values of alpha and beta. So its reciprocals are the roots of that another quadratic equation. So that another quadratic equation is the required quadratic equation what we need to find out. Understand? So see here. 9x square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the roots are alpha and beta. So first find here alpha plus beta. Okay. So from this one what we will get? Sum of the roots here. Sum of the roots is equal to 9 and 6 and here 1 is there. So minus b by a. So 3 2's and 3 3's. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Next, what they given here? Then the equation of the roots. Directly they are giving that one, no? Yes. Next, alpha beta. So alpha beta is equal to, from this equation, 1 by 9. Okay. So keep these two values aside. Now, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are the roots. 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are the roots. Now here sum of the roots. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So which is equals to here, what is that LCM? Alpha beta is the LCM. So here in that numerator alpha plus beta. Okay. So alpha beta values here we know that individual values not. Here alpha plus beta value we know that, alpha beta value also we know that, right? So here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Alpha beta is equal to 1 by 9. Alpha beta is equal to 1 by 9. So which is equals to minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 9. Its reciprocal is 9. So 3 1's and 3 3's. So minus 6. Okay. So that is the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay. And 1 by alpha beta, product of the roots what you will get? 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So which is equals to 1 by alpha beta. So 1 by alpha beta means here 1 by alpha beta value is equal to 1 by 9. So 1 by 9. So which is equals to 9. Understand? Now the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta into x plus 1 by alpha into 1 by beta is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Okay. So from this one here x square minus of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to what we got, ma? Here we got that minus 6. Okay. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to minus 6 into x plus 1 by alpha into 1 by beta is equal to 9. Okay. Plus 9 which is equal to 0. So from this one x square minus into minus plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So children, did you understand, ma, what they given here? Okay, at last I hope you understand this one. So if you find that the roots of this quadratic equation, you will get the values. Those two values are the reciprocals of that the first equation what they given in the question. Understand? So here which option is correct? See here, x square plus 6x plus 9 which is equal to 0. So that is third option is correct. Am I clear to you, children? So up to here worksheet 2 problems completed, and next we are having that nature of the roots, that is concept 3. Okay, so we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you, children.